In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-refresh Google Sheets. We'll use a simple built-in formula so your sheet always reflects the latest data from another spreadsheet without any manual updates. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want the data to appear. This is your destination sheet. Click into the cell where you want the imported data to start. Now you'll enter a formula that tells Google Sheets which spreadsheet to pull from and which range to import. Type equals importrange, then an open parenthesis. Inside, you'll include two things, both in quotation marks. First, the full URL of the source spreadsheet, and second, the range you want from that sheet, including the tab name. It will look like this: at import range, spreadsheet URL, sheet 1, A1C10. Let's break that down. For spreadsheet URL, paste the full link to the spreadsheet you're importing from. You can copy it directly from your browser's address bar when the source spreadsheet is open. Keep the quotation marks around it. For sheet 1, A1C10, use the exact name of the worksheet tab in the source file, then an exclamation mark, then the range. In this example, it's the rectangle from A1 to C10. You can adjust it to any range you need, including entire columns like AC if you prefer. Just make sure your tab name matches exactly, including capitalization and spaces. After you've entered the formula, press enter. If this is the first time these two spreadsheets are connecting, you'll see a prompt to allow access. Click Allow Access. This step authorizes the destination sheet to read data from the source. You'll need at least view permission on the source file for this to work. Once access is granted, your data will appear in the destination sheet. From now on, it will auto-update whenever the source sheet changes. There may be a short delay as Google Sheets refreshes in the background, but you don't need to do anything. The updates flow through automatically. A few tips to keep things smooth. Double-check the sheet tab name and the range formatting if you see an error. If the formula returns a permissions message, confirm that you can open the source spreadsheet in your browser. Start with a reasonable range to keep your sheet responsive and expand later if needed. That's it. With a single formula and one permission click, your Google Sheet now keeps itself in sync with your source data so you can focus on analysis instead of manual refreshing.